Hello! Okay, anong gagawin natin for today's video?
We're going to unbox.
Unbox? Ano ba yung unbox natin?
Sanrio from Jollibee.
Sanrio Toys from Jollibee! Yay!
Yay!
Ilan yung binili natin?
6.
6, no? Tingin mo, do you think we will have duplicates?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I think we're only going to have one new one.
One new. One character lang, 6 to. Tapos?
I think we're going to get one new character and the one we get already, we're going to get a lot of them, like Sugar Star.
Ay, si Sugar.
She only got Choco Cat. That's
Yeah.
the only one new.
Yeah, let's hope that's not the case, no?
Yes.
Okay, sige, unbox na natin, oh. Sabihin mo na, see you later! Unbox na yun!
See you later.
Oh, pause mo natin. Hello! Okay, start na tayo mag-unboxing, no?
Okay.
Oh, pili kang isa for the first one. Ito, sige, kunin mo. Do you know how to open it? Help it. Ano kaya? Who do you think it is? Tingnan natin. Sino ba yung characters? Tignan natin. Ito yung character sa side. So, sino yung mga
Hello
character?
Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
My Melody.
My Melody.
Pam Pam Forest.
Pam Pam Purin.
Cinnamoroll.
Cinnamoroll.
Karomi.
Romy and
And Choco.
Choco. Pakita natin sa camera yung characters. Ayan. Wing, 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 wing. Okay, first box. Sino kaya yan?
I think it's Karomi.
Kuromi. Oh, let's find out. Dito, dito.
Okay.
Yan na. Sino? Sino siya? Nye! Talagang sure, ayaw magpakita ni Jollibee, oh. Blind box talaga. Blind box and blind plastic. Hindi na ka ito. Pinakilal.
I know.
Punit mo na lang. Sino yan? Tan-tananan! Iyan o, buhos mo dito. Sino? Ako mo, labas mo muna. Dito, pakikita mo dito. Oops. Dami palang parts.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty, pakita mo sa camera.
She's super cute.
Nice. Do you think the rest will be Hello Kitty as well?
No.
Okay, one down. Open, buksan na ba natin? O later na lang? Later na lang.
So let's do it.
Paano ba? Let's do it. Okay, ito yung base.
She's even very cute.
Yes. O, name. Number 2. Tabi natin dito. Next box, please. Pili ka. Okay, box 1, Hello Kitty, ah. Hello Kitty, ay, hindi. Sino yan? Green, sino yung green?
Papa Purin.
Pom Purin?
Oh, it's Pachaco. He is also green.
Nice.
It's also green.
You want me to build the base? Para fast.
This Pop Print is super cute.
Patingin mo, pakita mo sa camera. Ano yung logo niya? Pop Print. Pakita mo si Pochaco. Si Pochaco.
It's super cute.
Pakita mo sa
When
camera.
you turn it around, the logo hides.
Hides mo. Pakita mo sa camera yung finished product. Pochaco.
Pachaco.
Wala pa tayo. May Hello Kitty na tayo. May Pochaco pa tayo, Next box. Next, please.
We can piece them together.
Yeah. We will show that later. Next box, please.
I think it's my melody.
Let's hope. Oh no!
Oh, it's a duplicate.
Yan na.
Choco.
Naku, yan na yung sinasabi natin eh.
It's okay, we can still piece it together.
Yeah. Oh, we have a second Pochako. Pakita mo sa camera.
And here's his logo.
Oh, sige, can you build it? Yay! Sana nag-duplicate na tayo. Again, fourth box.
This one.
Okay.
Now, look at the inside of the plastic. Oh, look at when I see a duplicate, I'll tell you, okay?
Okay.
Don't see the people. Look at. Because it's a surprise. We
Oh.
got Karomi!
Romy, yay! Hindi siya duplicate.
Yay, she's so cute.
Oh, meron pa. May kulong pa. May kulong na piece. Pakita mo yung finished product. Nice. Okay, so far, ilan na yung characters natin?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hindi, remove mo yung duplicates. Ilan na?
Oh, it's 2.
3 characters lang. No? Sige,
Yes. Let's get the other Pochako as takeaway, but the water, so let's not do it.
yeah, later. We'll fix it.
No takeaway.
Okay. Number 5 na tayo. Box number 5.
This one. The one we did got yet is
Pumpurin,
Cimarron,
Cinnamoroll.
and my melody.
Yeah, let's hope it's one of them, no?
Yes. Now look at the surprise.
Okay.
Look. Cimarron!
Are you sure? Yay! Dito siya duplicate. Nice.
Wait.
Nice. Pakita mo sa camera. Nice. Ganda.
Finally, we don't have a do.
Hey, you don't say that. We still have one box.
Melody.
It's
That's a do.
a dupe again?
It's okay.
Oh my gulay.
Oh my god, we have 3 dupes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, sino ulit? Pakita mo sa camera. Sino yan?
This is my crush.
Sino ulit yan? Pakita mo.
Pochako was my crush.
Crush? She's your crush? Pakita mo sa camera.
He's super cute.
Pakita na natin lahat ng ano.
Yes,
I-line up
yes.
natin sila.
He's my crush.
Pochako is your crush?
Yes.
Okay, so
Pochako.
we have 3 duplicates, no?
Yes.
Tapos we have
3 new ones.
actually 4. Kasama si Pochako, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We put them all together.
Hey, that's the like that. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Not bad, no? Kasi yung iba, the other customers, they said they bought 6. They only have 1 character. But so far we got 4. That's nice. That's okay na.
Wait.
Other side. Nice.
Choco is my crush.
Yeah. Yay! O, buuin natin yung carousel. You want to build the carousel?
Yes.
Sige. Build na natin. O, talk mo muna.
Bye-bye.
Tada! Sige, patay na natin.
The lot of Choco stands right here.
Yeah. Game. So what do you think of the toy?
Great.
You like it?
Yes. Even
Yeah.
we got 3 dupes.
Yeah, we got 3 dupes. Yeah, I think
Choco is my crush.
she's your crush. Boy, bata ka pa.
Hey, Elsie. Let's play
It's
that.
cute. It's cute. Yeah. Pero sana yung blind box niya, medyo pinag-isipan. Kasi there's no way to determine which character ka ba? Kaya nga blind box, di ba? Sana, you can buy a set of 6 siguro, para sure ball na na walang duplicates.
Bye-bye.
O di ba nagpa-final thoughts pa tayo?
Okay.
Ikaw, ano bang masasabi mo? What can you say about the toy?
My favorite is of course, Karomi and Cimarron.
Cinnamoroll and Kuromi.
And Hello Kitty too.
Yeah. Are we going to look for My Melody and Pampampurin?
Yes.
Let's try now. Yeah, I think it's cute.
I hope we don't get dupes.
Yeah, I hope kung mag-blind box pa kayo, Jollibee, ayusin niyo yung set niyo. Yeah, yung mga kids, they really like these characters. But, I hope it will be easier for the parents to complete the set. Yeah, I know naman yung uso ngayon, blind box, diba? Kaso, ayun. Basta ibabi ka na.
Bye-bye.